hours na lang.
2 hours. Bago tayo makaskip.
Lang daw.
Would you guess that I didn't know what you wear? I'm just scared of what you think. You make me nervous, so I really can't eat. Let's go, don't wait. This night's almost over. Honest, let's make this night last forever, forever and ever. Let's make this last forever, forever and ever. Let's make this last forever.
Brown out! Sorry! Kaya hindi tayo pa pwede pumunta dun sa Festival Fire Sunday. Where are we? Heading for the conference? I don't know. Nashla. Mata mo. Nashla. Where are we? We are at the Basilica.
Don't wait, this night's almost over. Honest. I used to rule the world, seas that rise when I get.
Ruben Tobias.
Hindi pa pa.
Hindi po po.
Okay.
Days pa lang ako dito sa Basile. From Sunday up until now, yun pa lang yung stay ko dito. I am
How many years na po itong church started na ito?
itong church. Yung church na tayo.
Kamusta naman po, Father? First time mag-stay dito or mag-session?
So, in fact, way back 2005, na-assign ako dito as seminarian dito sa Basilica. I was the one who worked for the Peña Francia 2005. So, up until some notable thing na nakikita natin is hindi nagbabawas ng mga tao. Mas lalo pang dumarami at mas lalo pang dumarami. So ngayon nga pang-apat ko na tong preside ng Parol Liturgy from different other pilgrims. So usually yung mga pilgrims, they take 5 to 6 passes. So tingnan mo yung devotion kay Faith. So mas lalong tawag na, mas lalong nag-spark, tumitibay yung devotion natin sa mga Pilipino. Maybe it's because na sa panahon ngayon, marami na tayong mga pangangailangan kaya marami yung
Ano po? Yung recent na fluvial, andito ka po?
Oo, andito ako pero hindi ako sumama dun sa tuwan. Sa Suarez na. So, maganda yung fluvial natin ngayon because very smooth yung buwan, yung flow ng procession from cathedral to yung daungan na. And then dun sa tuwan, dun sa pagoda ni Ina, talagang yung mga piling tao na lang ang pwedeng makasakay. Isa sa in-encourage is that walang mga tinatawag natin kontrobersyal na tao, yung mga politiko, mga artista, halos na wala talaga yon. Yung mga tao lang na yung hindi makaka-distract na hindi makakaagaw atensyon ng devotional kaya Ina ang and last 2005 nakakuha ako habang na sabi ni Missouri Vergara, sabi niya sumama ka na dyan sa pagoda para honest mag-experience ka and malay mo yan na yung last mong sakay dyan.
Next.
Sumakay ako yan. Sa privilege na nakasakay ako doon and I witness the faith of the people. Ang ganda talaga pag nasa very touching. So makikita mo yung mga tao na sa tuwan. kilig ng puso. Wawagayway ng mga kanila. So very touching. So very kwan ng devotion nila tayo.
So very pala maganda yung experience. Home experience. So we're here in Basilica Church and see, nakikita niyo naman yung sobrang ganda and parang solemn na solemn church. Tapos anyway, tapos na natin interviewin si Father Reverend
Erwin.
Diretso na tayo sa souvenirs!
O, game!
Northern downpour sends its love. Hey moon, please forget to fall down. Hey moon, don't you go down. Sugar cane.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bicol Science Center. Kung saan nandun si Kuya.
Science Centro po is a region-based non-formal learning institution na pag-establish ng 1995 through the joint effort of the Department of Science and Technology and the City Government of Naga. With the
That winding knee. I missed your skin when you were east. You clicked your heels and wished for me. Through playful lips made of yarn, that fragile Capricorn unraveled words like moths upon old scarves. I know the world's a broken bone, but melt your headaches, call it home. Hey moon, please forget to fall down. Hey moon, don't you go down. Sugar cane in the easy morning weather vanes, my one and lonely.
Ikaw.
Nasa Coke na kami!